this is indeed a good news on the Guru Purab Day, a day to remember Guru Nanak and his maxim of Kirat Karo, earn honestly, is what the farmers have been practicing. On this day, I would say this is a historic victory for the farmers of this country. Historic victory because farmers have demonstrated that they matter in this country. They cannot be consigned to the dustbin of history. Farmers have shown that their unity, that their resilience can bend anyone, including intransigent regimes like this one. Having said this, I would note that this is partial acceptance of our demands because we had always said, while there's a long list, there were two major aspects to what we were demanding. We were saying to Mr. Modi, please take away your gifts. We don't want these three laws. Repeal them. And we were saying what we need is legal guarantee of minimum support price, something Mr. Modi himself had demanded when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. On that, the Prime Minister hasn't said much. I think he's just mentioned possibility of a committee or looking into the matter, the usual bureaucracies. That, I'm afraid, is not what we want. So it's a partial acceptance of our demands, and we need to sit together and take a view on it. We initially said to the government that it is unconstitutional. It didn't matter to the BJP. We said the legal provisions are bad in law. It didn't matter to them. We said it's very bad economics. It didn't matter to them. We said on humanitarian grounds, 700 farmers have sacrificed their lives. Please look at that. It didn't matter to them. What mattered was the coming elections in Uttar Pradesh and the election in Punjab and the possibility of political cost, because this is unfortunately the only language this government understands. Votes, seats, governments, elections. That is what has mattered. But in democracy, that's not a bad thing. In democracy, that's the way people can send a message to the rulers. They have heard the message partially so far.